Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will tell you how you can delete one photo from multiple photos on Instagram. This is really very simple process. This process is similar on both Android and iOS devices. But make sure you are connected to the internet. First step is open your Instagram app. Now open your Instagram profile, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. After that, select those multiple photos from which you want to delete one particular photo. For example, these are multiple photos. On this screen, you can see three dots on the top right corner of the post. Tap on these dots. A pop-up menu will appear. On this menu, you can see edit option. Tap on this. After that, you can see on top right corner of each post, there is a bin icon. Tap on the bin icon. It will ask you for confirmation that are you sure you want to delete this? Tap on delete. Now you can see it was 3 photos in the multiple photos, and now I have deleted one particle from multiple photos on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, then please like, share and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments any problem related to social media and internet. Let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.